Hello everyone, welcome back to Maths Camp Day 4. This is Ajay sir here. Hope you all are doing well. In today's session, students, we are going to start with the second exercise of this beautiful chapter of algebra, that is chapter number 3, polynomials. Now students, before we start any sums from this exercise, first of all let us understand some basic concepts of this exercise. And for that, I'm taking one example on your screen. That is nothing but this example: 8x square plus 7x raised to 5 plus 2 minus 5x cube. These polynomial, students, first of all tell me total how many terms are there? Yes, very good. Total 4 terms are there, right? And what is the degree of this polynomial? First class. The degree is 5. The highest power of this polynomial is 5. Now, on the basis of this example, students, we are going to understand one very important concept of this chapter, and that is nothing but the forms of polynomials. Now, students, there are total 3 forms of polynomials that we are going to understand in this exercise. The very first form of polynomial जो भी होने वाला है, उसका हम लोग मीनिंग देखेंगे, क्या मीनिंग है, and we'll understand with some examples. The first form of polynomial is nothing but the standard form. What is the first form of polynomial? It is standard form. Now, what do we mean by standard form, students? Standard form means we need to write the polynomials in the descending order of powers of variables. That means जो भी आप लोग को यहाँ पे polynomial दिया है, students, we just need to arrange that polynomial in such a way that is starting from highest power to lowest power. We are going to arrange the number of terms. Okay, descending order. Descending means starting from highest power to lowest power of variable. We need to arrange this polynomial. That is called a standard form. Very simple. Now let's understand with the help of this example. In this example, students, tell me which term is having the highest power. 4 terms are there, out of which term is having the highest power? Yes, very good. The second term, that is 7x raised to 5. Raised to 5 is the highest power. So this term we are going to write at the start. That is 7x raised to 5 along with the sign, that is plus. So we are going to write 7x raised to 5. Raised to 5 के बाद, after this 5 के बाद, if you observe the given polynomial, which term should we write? Yes, we are going to write minus 5x raised to 3. 5 से छोटा power, that is raised to 3 along with the sign. So we are going to write minus 5x raised to 3. After this, now only 2 terms are left, out of which the first term is having the highest one, that is raised to 2. So after raised to 3, we are going to write this 8x square, which is having plus sign, positive है, तो हम लोग को यहाँ पे लिखना है plus 8x square. And one term is remaining, that is the constant term, that is 2. So let us write down that 2 at the end plus 2. So students, we have arranged this polynomial in standard form, that is starting from the highest power of variable till constant term. हम लोगों ने polynomials को arrange किया है. There is no additional changes. जो polynomial दिया है उसी को arrange करना है highest power से लेकर lowest power तक along with the signs. Very simple. Now let us come to the second form of polynomial, and that is nothing but index form. Now students, this one is very important. Please understand properly. Index form means from the highest power in descending order, every power should be present. If not, add the missing term with the coefficient 0. That means index form is same like the standard form only. There is only one additional change, one special change that we need to understand. And that one is nothing but, let's understand. First of all, in index form students, जो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में हम लोग कन्वर्ट कर देना, वैसे हम लोग को सेम कन्वर्ट तो करना पड़ेगा. दैट मींस हाईएस्ट पावर कौन सा, रेज टू 5. सो वी आर गोइंग टू राइट 7x रेज टू 5 एट द स्टार्ट. देन उसके बाद रेज टू 3, रेज टू 2, जो भी है उसको हम लोग को पूरा सेम टू सेम अरेंज तो करना पड़ेगा. बट हियर वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रूल सेज दैट index form should have all the powers starting from highest power to lowest power. Each and every power should be present. If not, अगर कोई भी power missing है, so we need to introduce that with the help of coefficient 0. The students, if you observe over here, we are having the highest power as 7x raised to 5, right? 7x raised to 5 हम लोग यहाँ पे available है, ठीक है? But after 5 कौन सा पावर आना चाहिए था? Yes, raised to 4 होना चाहिए था. But do we have raised to 4 वाला term in this polynomial? No, it is not there. So it is missing. So if any one of the power is missing, we need to introduce that with the help of coefficient 0. So we are going to write this as plus 0x raised to 4. Raised to 4 missing है, तो उसको हम लोग 0 के साथ introduce करेंगे, 0x raised to 4. And whenever we are introducing, always make sure that we are writing plus sign. Because 0 don't have any sign, so we are writing plus sign over there. Raised to 4 के बाद raised to 3 is already there. Raised to 3 के बाद raised to 2, it is already there, 8x square. Raised to 2 के बाद raised to 1 होना चाहिए. But do we have raised to 1 वाला term, that is variable term? No, we don't have, right? So again, that is the missing one. So we need to introduce it with the help of coefficient 0. So let's write down over here plus 0x raised to 1. If you don't write raised to 1, that is okay, because nothing is there means power 1 ही होता है, ठीक है? And then last one is the constant term, that is already there, that is 2. So once we have arranged this polynomial in index form, just check it out. Starting from highest power to lowest power, हर एक power present है कि नहीं? Raised to 5, raised to 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, now each and every power is present. So this is called as index form. We need to arrange the polynomial in such a way that all the power should be present from highest power to lowest power. If it is not, we need to introduce it with the help of coefficient 0. As simple as that. And the third form of polynomial, students, is nothing but the coefficient form. It is called as coefficient form. Now what do you mean by coefficient form? In coefficient form, students, we need to write the coefficients of each term in the index form separated by comma in round bracket. That means for converting polynomial into coefficient form, we need to write that in index form first. It is compulsory. Okay, and once we have converted into index form, then we'll write that in coefficient form. Now students, in coefficient form, we are only gonna write the coefficients from the index form. So as you can see in the second form of polynomial, that is index form, we have arranged this polynomial in index form. Each and every power is present. So just coefficient of that जो भी अवेलेबल है 7, 0, -5, 8, 0, 2, उसको हम लोग को लिखना है इन राउंड ब्रैकेट कोएफिशिएंट फॉर्म. कोएफिशिएंट सी, देखो यहाँ पे राउंड ब्रैकेट किधर लिख रहा है, सी राउंड ब्रैकेट. तो राउंड ब्रैकेट से हम लोग को स्टार्ट करना है एंड उसके अंदर हम लोग को लिखना है कोएफिशिएंट्स ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी टर्म separated by comma, and make sure that we're writing coefficients along with the sign, right? So let's write down all the coefficients: 7, 0, -5, 8, 0, 2 in round bracket separated by comma. So this is called as the coefficient form. Very simple. So based on these, students, let us start with the second exercise, that is practice set 3.2, question number 6. But before we start with the second exercise, there are a few questions left. Sorry, it is practice at 3.1, question number 6. Write the following polynomials in the standard form. So we need to convert the given polynomial, students, in standard form. So what is standard form? Standard form means we need to arrange the given polynomial in such a way the powers of the variables should be in descending order. Highest power से लेकर lowest power तक होना चाहिए. So students, in this example, tell me which term is having the highest power. Yes, very good, super. That is the first one only, that is m cube raised to 3 is the highest power. So for this question the solution will be, first we are going to write one statement. The standard form of the given polynomial is the highest power is raised to 3. So we are going to write m cube. After m cube raised to 3 के बाद जो रिमेनिंग टू टर्म्स है उसमें से देखना कौन सा लिखना है. So from the remaining two terms, yes, 5m raised to 1 is there. So this one we are going to write at the second place. So let plus 5m, and at the end we are going to write the constant term, that is plus 3. So now we have converted this polynomial in standard form, starting from highest power to lowest power. जो भी powers हम लोग को दिए थे, जो भी terms दिए थे, उसको खाली arrange किया है. No additional change in that. Am I clear everyone? एक ही क्वेश्चन में पूरा 100% नहीं समझेगा. आई होप एटलीस्ट आपको यहाँ पे 20% तो समझा है कैसे सॉल्व करना है. ओके, लेट्स टेक फ्यू मोर सम्स टू अंडरस्टैंड टिल 100% and taking one more example, second one. Now this time students we are having so many terms, so be careful. What is standard form? Standard form means we need to arrange each and every term starting from highest power to lowest power. So if you observe this polynomial, students, which term is having the highest power? Yes, the second term. So for that, first of all we are going to write the standard form of the given polynomial is the highest power is raised to 5. Second one, तो उसको हम लोग को लिखना है at the start, that is y raised to 5. raised to 5 के बाद 5 से छोटा कौन सा पावर है? Yes, very good. It is 2y raised to 4. So let us write down that along with the sign plus 2y raised to 4. After this raised to 4 के बाद कौन सा पावर आना चाहिए? Yes, it should be raised to 3. So do we have raised to 3 वाला term? Yes, it is there. That is 3y raised to 3. So let us write down that. After raised to 3, we are having one more term having power 2. So let us write down minus y raised to 2. Raised to 2 के बाद raised to 1. Do we have a raised to 1 वाला term? Yes, it is there. That is minus 7y. Nothing is there, मतलब power always 1 होता है. So let minus 7y. And at the end, there is one more term is missing, that is minus 1 upon 2 constant term. So that term we are going to write at the end. So now students, you can see on the screen, we have arranged this polynomial in the standard form, starting from the highest power 5, but 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. सबके सब terms को हमने arrange किया है in standard. I hope now it is 40% clear to each and everyone. In next question, students, I want you all to help me with the questions. Let's see how many of you can answer it correct. And the next question on your screen is from problem set 3, question number 3. Again, the same question, write the following polynomials in standard form. So this is the first one. Now you are going to help me tell me, first of all, in solution, we are going to write the statement. That is the standard form of the given polynomial is, tell me which term is having the highest power. Yes, perfect. It is the second term, that is 7x raised to 4. After 7x raised to 4, which one we are going to write? Perfect. It is minus x cube along with the sign. After minus x cube, which term we are going to write? Yes, it is 4x square. Superb. You are brilliant. And after raised to 2, that is raised to 1, that is minus x, and then the constant term, that is 9. Super. I'm getting answer from everyone. I hope you are very much clear with this concept now. 60% तो clear हो गया? Okay, great. Let us take one more example to clear your 100%. And in this also, I need your help. Tell me which term should we write at the first? Yes, it is raised to 4, having highest power, that is 5p raised to 4. After raised to 4, we are going to write raised to 3, that is 2p cube. Raised to 3 के बाद, yes, we have a raised to 2 वाला term also, that is plus 10p raised to 2. After this, now only 2 terms are left, out of which we are going to write p and then the constant term, that is minus 8 along with this sign. Am I clear, everyone? Are you all understanding it properly? Okay. So now students, I want you all to write down these questions, answer in your notebook. Very simple questions. Okay. Now after this students, let us start with question number 7, which says, write the following polynomials in coefficient form. That is the third form, coefficient. C मतलब क्या? Round bracket के form में लिखना है, right? So that third type of form. So coefficient form means we need to write the coefficients of each and every term separated by comma in round bracket. So for that, let's see the question. Sub question 1, x cube minus 2. Now students, whenever we are supposed to convert the given polynomial in coefficient form, the very first rule is we need to write this polynomial in index form first, then only we are going to write the coefficient form. Why? Because coefficient form means we need to write each and every term ka coefficient. By index form, we'll come to know which term is missing. So in index form, we'll introduce that with the help of coefficient 0. So we'll come to know कि यहाँ पे 0 भी लिखना है, ठीक है? So don't do it directly. Always convert this in index form, then convert it into coefficient. So first of all, let us convert this polynomial in index form. Index form means starting from highest power to lowest power, each and every term should be present. Okay. So first of all, in this polynomial students, it is not in index form because starting from highest power, we are having 3, highest power 3 in descending order. उसके बाद raised to 2 होना चाहिए, but raised to 2 is missing. Raised to 1 होना चाहिए, मतलब variable term होना चाहिए, that is also missing. Directly constant term दिया है. So we need to introduce that with the help of coefficient 0, that is 0x square and then 0x. So let us write down the given polynomial in index form. First x cube, after x cube, raised to 2 wala term is missing, so we are going to write plus 0x raised to 2, then raised to 1 wala term, that is plus 0x, and then the constant term, that is minus 2. So this is called as the index form, where we have arranged the polynomial in such a way, starting from highest power to lowest power, each and every power is present. After this, it's very simple to convert this polynomial in coefficient form. So let us write down the statement that given polynomial in coefficient form is, we are going to write the coefficient of each and every term in round bracket separated by comma. So over here students, the first coefficient is 1, then 0, then 0, then minus 2 along with the sign. So let us write down this polynomial in a round bracket separated by comma. 1, comma 0, comma 0, comma minus 2. Only coefficients separated by comma in round bracket. Let's understand one more question based on it. That is second one. 5y. Now students, first of all, in this polynomial, is this polynomial in index form? If you observe, the highest power is 1 raised to 1 है. Raised to 1 के बाद 0 मतलब constant term होना चाहिए, but it is missing. So since the constant term is missing, we are going to write this as 5y plus 0. 0 is missing, constant term is missing, so it is very important to write that. Okay, once we have converted this in index form, now let us write down this in the coefficient form. This is the index form, 5y plus 0. In coefficient form, students, we are going to write the coefficients, that is coefficient of y, 5, and the constant term, that is 0. So let's write down this coefficient separated by comma in round bracket, that is 5 comma 0, as simple as that. Let's take few more questions, students, based on converting the polynomial in coefficient form to understand it properly. I want you all to write down these two questions ka answer in your notebook. Only answer, no need to write entire question. Just to mention practice at 3.1, question number 7, sub question 1, solution. Sub question 3, 2m raised to 4 minus 3m square plus 7. Now students, first of all, is this polynomial in index form? No. Why? Because there is raised to 3 वाला term missing, raised to 1 वाला term is missing, raised to 4 के बाद 3 आना चाहिए, but it is missing. So let's write down this polynomial in index form first. 2m raised to 4, raised to 4 के बाद raised to 3 वाला term is missing, so we are going to write plus 0m raised to 3. After this, raised to 2 वाला term, it is already there, that is minus 3m square. Raised to m वाला term, raised to 1 वाला term is missing, that is variable term is missing, students. So don't forget to write that. That is plus 0m. And then the constant term, that is 7. So now if you observe, we arrange the given polynomial in index form. Starting from highest power to lowest power, each and every power is present. 4, 3, 2, 1 and कुछ नहीं, मतलब यहाँ पे power, यहाँ पे 0. Constant term. So let's write down this in the coefficient form. Each and every coefficient we are going to write separated by comma in a round bracket. That is 2, 0, minus 3, 0, 7. Let's see another question, that is minus 2 upon 3. Now it is a very different type of sum, unique sum, where you can see only one term is present, that is minus 2 upon 3, and that is the constant term. Constant term के बाद कुछ आता है क्या? No. मतलब डायरेक्टली लिखना है. It is already in the index form, that is minus 2 upon 3 only. Constant term direct last वाला term आप लोग को दे दी. And the coefficient form for this is going to be, as it is the constant term, we can write this as minus 2 upon 3 x raised to 0. As we have studied in the introduction part, constant term का power always 0 की होता है, because उसको हम लोग ऐसे लिख सकते हैं minus 2 upon 3 x raised to 0. Anything raised to 0 is 1, so 1 into that is that term. Then the coefficient form of this, the coefficient of variable, that is minus 2 upon 3 is the coefficient now. Only one coefficient that we are going to write in down bracket along with the sign minus 2 upon 3. That's it. एक ही यहाँ पे तो comma वगैरह कुछ नहीं आएगा. Very simple. Your understanding? Yes. Great. Very good. Now students, you are going to help me with these questions. These questions are homework for you all. X raised to 4 plus 16. आप लोग ही फटाफट बोलोगे आंसर क्या आएगा. Very simple question, students. First of all, is this polynomial in this time index form? No, because raised to 4 के बाद direct constant term दिए. There are some terms which are missing, so we need to introduce that with the help of coefficient 0. So let's write down x raised to 4. Raised to 4 के बाद cube वाला term missing, 0m cube. Then raised to 2 वाला term is missing, 0m x square. raised to 1 वाला term is also missing, that is variable term, so let's write down plus 0x, and the constant term which is available, that is 60. Now let's write down this in the coefficient form, each and every coefficient. x raised to 4 के बाजू में coefficient कुछ नहीं, मतलब always वहाँ पे 1 होता है, always remember. Then next one is 0, 0, 0 and 60. So let's write down this in round bracket separated by comma. As simple as that. Next one, sub question 2, problem set का question है. All this you can do by your own. Now I hope you all are very much clear with the concept. Raised to 5 के बाद raised to 4 होना चाहिए. It is missing. Raised to 3 is missing. So it is not in the index form. So let's convert this in index form first by writing each and every power. Raised to 5 वाला term first. Raised to 5 के बाद कौन सा term? Raised to 4, but it is missing. So let's write down 0x raised to 4. But now यहाँ पे m variable है तो m लिखना पड़ेगा. Then raised to 4 के बाद raised to 3, it is missing. So we are going to write plus 0m cube. Then raised to 2, yes it is there, that is 2m square. Raised to 1, that is 3m, and the constant term, that is 50. So let's write down the coefficient form. Each and every coefficient of this polynomial, that is 1, 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 50. So this is the coefficient form. Don't forget to write down in round bracket separated by comma. So I hope all of you are very much clear with the concept called as standard form, index form, coefficient form. Now there is one form pending. How to convert into index form now. For index form students, the question will be given in coefficient form. आप लोगों को क्वेश्चन हमेशा कोएफिशिएंट फॉर्म में दिया रहेगा जिसको हम लोग को इंडेक्स फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है. व्हाट इज इंडेक्स फॉर्म? इंडेक्स फॉर्म मींस starting from highest power to lowest power, each and every power should be present. So we have studied one type of question, the previous one, जहाँ पे जो भी टर्म मिसिंग था उसको हमने खाली इंट्रोड्यूस किया with the help of coefficient 0. It was very simple. But in this question students, the polynomial is not given, coefficient form is given, the coefficients are given. With the help of this we are going to convert in index form. So for polynomial, variable should be there. कौन सा वेरिएबल लेना है बताया नहीं है, तो यू कैन टेक एनी वेरिएबल ऑफ योर चॉइस. यू कैन टेक x, y, m, z, कोई भी आप लोग वेरिएबल ले सकते हो. इट्स योर चॉइस, बट मेक श्योर दैट ओनली वन वेरिएबल यू आर टेकिंग इन द एंटायर पॉलिनोमियल. x तो x, y तो y. Okay, so the very first step for converting this coefficient form in index form is always count the number of coefficients available in the question. Separated by comma मतलब हम लोग count easily कर सकते हैं. How many coefficients are there? Yes, total 3 coefficients are there. So first of all, the coefficient form is given as 1, 2, 3. In this, total 3 coefficients are there. With the help of this, first of all, we should know कि हम लोग को जो index form में लिखना है ना, उसका highest power start कहाँ से करना है. एक बार स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट मिल गया ना तो उसके बाद हम लोग को पता है डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में कौन कौन से नंबर्स आएंगे. सो वी जस्ट नीड टू नो द हाईएस्ट पावर. स्टार्ट कहाँ से करना है वो पता चलना चाहिए. हाईएस्ट पावर इज नथिंग बट व्हाट? डिग्री. दैट मींस बेसिकली वी नीड टू फाइंड द डिग्री ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, देन विल कन्वर्ट इन इंडेक्स फॉर्म. सो हाउ टू फाइंड डिग्री? फॉर फाइंडिंग डिग्री, वन बेसिक रूल, we are going to count the number of coefficients. इसमें से खाली -1 करना है. जितने भी coefficients available है उसको count करना है. जैसे कि इस क्वेश्चन में how many coefficients are there? 3. उसमें से माइनस करना है 1. That is a simple rule. 3 minus 1. So we come to know degree should be 2. Degree कितना होना चाहिए? 2 होना चाहिए. Since there are 3 coefficients, that means यहाँ पे हम लोग को start करना है degree 2 से. Along with any variable. Suppose I am taking यहाँ पे पहले तो coefficient क्या है 1, so we are going to write 1. Any one variable. Suppose I am taking x over here, डिग्री कितना होना चाहिए 2, हाईएस्ट पावर रेज टू 2 होना चाहिए, तो वी आर राइटिंग 1 x रेज टू 2. आफ्टर दिस द नेक्स्ट कोएफिशिएंट इज 2, तो 2 को लिखना है विच साइन, नथिंग इज देयर, मतलब प्लस साइन, तो प्लस 2 x रेज टू 1, नहीं लिखोगे चलेगा, नो प्रॉब्लम. Constant term is what? It is 3. So plus 3. Don't write x with that. Now if you observe the given polynomial, it is very much in the index form. Starting from highest power to lowest power, each and every term is present. 1x square plus 2x plus 3. 2, 1, 0. All powers are present. I hope at least 10% is clear to each and everyone. We'll take few more questions to understand properly. Let's take the next question, that is sub question 2. One basic rule students, we just need to know start कौन से power से करना है, what is the highest power, what is the degree in this, how to find degree. For that, first of all, we are going to count the number of coefficients available. How many coefficients available over here? Count करो, 5, 0, 0, 0, -1. So how many coefficients are there? Total 5 coefficients. So how to find degree? For degree, we are having basic rule, number of coefficients -1. Coefficients are there in this question? 5 coefficients -1. So 5 minus 1, that gives you what? 4. That means यहाँ पे हम लोग को start करना है highest power raised to 4 से. So let us write down index form of the given polynomial is, coefficient पहला कौन सा लिखना है? 5. कोई भी एक वेरिएबल, सपोज आई एम टेकिंग अगेन x raised to highest power 4. After this raised to 4 के बाद it is 0, so we'll write plus 0 x raised to 3. After this we'll write plus 0 x square, then next plus 0 x, and at the end we'll write the constant term, that is -1. As simple as that. It is very simple question students. I hope you all understood this. I want you all to write down this and try the third one. Okay students, I hope you all have completed the third one. It's very simple, super. So now students, sub question 3, you can see total 4 coefficients are there. How to find degree? Number of coefficients -1. So it is 4 minus 1. So what is the degree over here? It is 3. So let's write down the index form of the given polynomial. We're having -2 x raised to highest power should be, degree कितना लिखना है? 3. Then the next coefficient is 2. So let's write down plus 2 x raised to 2. Then -2 x, and the constant term, that is plus 2. So this is how we are going to convert the coefficient form in index form. I want you all to write down this in your notebook, students. Only answers. And these questions are homework for you all. You all can solve it by your own. Very simple questions. Problem set 3. Question number 5. Write the polynomial in index form using variable x from its coefficient form. Now, इस क्वेश्चन में ऑलरेडी मेंशन करके दिया है कि कौन सा वेरिएबल यूज करना है, x. अगर मेंशन करके दिया तो हम लोग को x ही यूज करना है. वी कांट यूज m, y, कोई दूसरा वेरिएबल यूज नहीं कर सकते, x ही यूज करना है. So again same question, you all can solve it by your own. Total, how many coefficients are there? Yes, 5 coefficients are there. So the degree should be what? 5 minus 1. Number of coefficients minus 1, that is 4. So let's write down the index form, starting with the first coefficient, that is 3 x raised to 4. Then next minus 2 x raised to 3. Next one 0 x square. Next one plus 7x. And then the constant term, that is 18. After this, the next question is this one. You can solve by your own. Tell me, how many coefficients are there? Yes, very good. 4 coefficients are there. So what should be the degree? Yes, it is 3. ऐसे find किया है. Number of coefficients minus 1. 4 coefficients were there, minus 1. That gives you the degree as 3. That means here the index form is going to be, first coefficient is 6, which will have the degree as 3. So 6 x raised to 3. The variable should be there. Don't write 6 raised to 3. Then next coefficient is 1, so plus 1x. Then plus 0, 1x square, sorry, and then plus 0x, and the constant term, that is plus 7. So you can see, starting from highest power to lowest power, all the powers are present, ratio 3, ratio 2, 1, 0. So this is how we need to convert coefficient form into index form. And the last one, again you can solve it by your own. Total 4 coefficients are there. So degree should be 3. 4 minus 1. Let's write down the index form. 4 x raised to 3 plus 5 x square minus 3 x and the constant term, that is plus 0. Very simple. So I hope all of you are very much clear with the concept called as forms of polynomials. Standard form, where we just need to arrange the given polynomials starting from highest power to lowest power. No additional change in the question. जो दिया है उसको खाली arrange करना. Second form of polynomial is index form, where we need to arrange the given polynomial in such a way, starting from highest power to lowest power, each and every term should be present. If it is missing, we need to introduce it with the help of coefficient 0. And the last one is coefficient form. C stands for round bracket. ऐसा assume करो याद रखने के लिए. C मतलब coefficient form round bracket में लिखना है. Coefficients only separated by comma. Only numbers जो variable के left side में दिख रहे along with the sign separated by comma in round bracket. So I hope all of you are very much clear with this concept. So that let's start with the next exercise in the next session. Thank you.